Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn how to save a custom title on Filmora. So go to Titles, and add a simple text. Let's edit it. For example, let me write welcome. Then let's change the style and put animation on it. Okay, now, to save it as a custom title, click on the left down corner here where it writes Save as Custom. Put a title. Now to find it, go to Titles and then Custom. Here is your custom title. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.